video of us getting cheated. Red Ranger Truffles. I'll stay in this little view here. Start it. You see they're lagging very bad. This guy just comes in. Oh, okay, you can kill him. Oh, now they're ice skating. Oh, look at this kid. Oh, you can kill all our guys apparently. I'll go in first person point of view now. Can't do anything. Violates me, never go negative. Oh, I'm walking backwards, the game's over, okay. Oh, then I'm moving somehow.
The battle is lost, but the war has just begun.
Here are all the gamer tags. Thank you for watching.